Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating the mathematics questions, I am here for the same. In this video, I am going to solve exponents class 8 Goel Brothers Prakashan question number 3. So question number 3 is about changing the power of rational number with negative exponent. So I have cleared this concept in my last video that if we have to remove the negative sign from any power, we have to reciprocate the base. So keep this point in mind and we will be solving question number 3. In first part of question number 3, we have to change 25 by 64 in power notation with negative power. So 25 by 64 can be changed as 5 by 8 raised to the power 2. So for bringing the negative sign into the power, we have to reciprocate 5 by 8 as 8 by 5. So our answer will be 8 by 5 raised to the power minus 2. In the second part, 216 by 343 is given to us. So 216 can be written as 3 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 3, and 343 can be written as 7 raised to the power 3. So 3 into 2 raised to the power 3 by 7 raised to the power 3, that is 6 raised to the power 3 by 7 raised to the power 3. So for bringing the negative into the power, we will reciprocate 6 by 7 as 7 by 6. So our answer would be 7 by 6 raised to the power minus 3. In part third, we have been given 4 square into minus 3 by 4 raised to the power 2. So 4 square can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 2 into minus 3 raised to the power 2 by 2 raised to the power 2 by whole raised to the power 2, that is 2 raised to the power 2 by 2 will get cancelled. So we will be left with minus 3 by minus 3 raised to the power 2, which is 9. So 9 will be converted into the power notation. So 9 would be converted as 1 by 9 raised to the power minus 1. In fourth part, we have been given 6 raised to the power 5 divided by 6 raised to the power 2 into 6 raised to the power 3. So in division, the power will get subtracted. So 6 raised to the power 5 minus 2 into 6 raised to the power 3. So 6 raised to the power 3 into 6 raised to the power 3 will come out as 6 raised to the power 3 plus 3, that is 6 raised to the power 6. So we will convert it into the power with negative sign, that is 1 by 6 raised to the power minus 6. In part 5, minus 32 by 243 is given. So minus 2 raised to the power 5 by 3 raised to the power 5. So we can write minus 2 raised to the power 5 by 3 raised to the power 5 as minus 2 by 3 whole raised to the power 5, that is minus 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 5. In sixth part, 6 by 5 raised to the power 2 into 10 by 9 raised to the power 2. So we will expand 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 10 by 9 into 10 by 9, which will get cancelled with one another. So we will be left with 16 by 9, which is equal to 4 by 3 raised to the power 2, which is equal to 3 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. In seventh part, minus 2 by 7 raised to the power 2 into minus 3 by 7 raised to the power 2. So minus 2 by 7 into minus 3 by 7 whole raised to the power 2, which can be written as 6 by 49 raised to the power 2, which would be equal to 49 by 6 raised to the power minus 2. In eighth part, 16 by 169 is given. So 16 can be written as 4 raised to the power 2 and 169 can be written as 13 raised to the power 2, which would be equal to 4 by 13 whole raised to the power 2, that is 13 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. In part 9, 8 by 9 raised to the power minus 5 into 8 by 9 raised to the power 2. So 8 by 9 raised to the power minus 5 plus 2, which would be equal to 8 by 9 raised to the power minus 3. In the last part of question number 3, 1 by 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 by 2 raised to the power 4. So we will expand this number as 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16. We will take the reciprocal as 16. Dealing with the numerator, 2 plus 1 by 16 would be there, which is equal to 3 by 16. That is 16 by 3 whole raised to the power minus 1. So in my next video, I will be solving question number 4 of exercise 2.2 exponents Goel Brothers Prakashan. If you like my video or if it is somewhere helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.